How to download and install Norton VPN on Firestick. So if you want to add the Norton VPN to your Firestick, then just watch this video. First, you just need to simply open up your Amazon Fire TV stick. And once you're on your home screen, you need to find and click the search icon. After that, in the search box, you need to type in Norton VPN, fast and secure, and select the app from the results. After that, click on download or the cloud download icon to install the application. After installation, click on open to launch the app and sign into your Norton VPN on your mobile device. After that, scan the QR code that appears on your TV with your mobile device. VPN is now activated on your Amazon Fire TV. But before installing the VPN on your Amazon Fire TV device, you need to ensure the VPN is on the version 1.8 or later, and Amazon Fire TV device is running on Fire OS 8 or later. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.